Hello everyone, welcome to Gage Car Reviews, and today I'm doing a review of a 1986 Jeep Comanche XLS 4-wheel drive long bed regular cab. Starting off the hood, you also got this nice hood there. Got the Jeep logo right there in the grille, headlights, fog lights in the front bumper. Alright, here's the side. Got the Comanche XLS 4X4 4-wheel drive. In the back, got the 2.8 liter V6 engine. Got the Jeep right there. Command track. And the side again. This is alright, let's take a look at the inside. This vehicle's manufactured on, where is it? Looks like looks like the manufacturing date's missing, but alright, now let's take a look at the inside. Here we are on the inside. Here is the Jeep steering wheel. In the middle, you also got the Jeep logo right there. Just the basic steering wheel up there. You also got the JVC model KD-R890BT Bluetooth AM/FM CD player radio with climate controls. Air vents up there. Manual transmission, 2 to 4-wheel drives. Air vents up there, all the cool stuff up there. Speedometer if you want temperature, oil, and battery. This vehicle currently has 188,860 miles in there. You also got the Jeep right there. Here's the front seat, no back seat. You also got the mirror visors up there. Up there's the mirror up there. Mirror up there. On the left, you also got the windshield wipers, turn signals, headlights, gauges lights, manual windows control up there. This truck is actually restored. Has the chrome package, all exterior trims, badge, natural, and hardware are original. It is a medium blue metallic factory paint job, so I think that's the blue one. This engine actually has like a 3.4 liter rebuilt engine from a 1995 Chevrolet Camaro. Has the AX5 stock transmission, drive shaft, and all the cool stuff up there. So yeah, you can actually see the driver and the passenger of the Jeep Comanche pickup truck. This is a regular cab, by the way. Alright. Oh, right there, you also got the manual windows control, door locks up there, storage up there, speakers up there, I think. I'm not sure. Like, yeah, I think so. Alright, so let's take a look at the engine up there. Alright, hold on just a moment. Alright, here's the hood up there. This is actually the engine. This is the engine is actually came from a 1995 Chevrolet Camaro. The Camaro was actually scrapped, but however the engine was actually was moved from a Camaro into the into this truck right there. Here's the diagram of there. Has the vehicle emissions up there. You also got the battery up there. Yeah, that's so yeah, that's what's inside of this engine up there. So alright, so this is actually restored Jeep Comanche 1986 XLS regular cab 4-wheel drive long bed. yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Guess that's it and wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.